All right, I'm here with J.R. Ramon with Lonestar Masonry Repair, and we're filming today a project where we have a house that needs a lot of brick repair. There's a lot of bricks that are cracked. There's a lot of mortar joints that are not right. You guys right now are mixing up the mortar, and we were just talking earlier. That's something everybody thinks they can do, but this is not a bag of mix you can buy at a box store, and you have to match what we're doing to the mortar. So talk a little bit about that, because this is not something everybody can do. It's something somebody with skills can do.
Yeah. Every house is going to have a different mortar. It doesn't matter if the same builder built it, it just ages differently. And a lot of times other contractors do is they'll make it and then they'll say, oh, it'll blend through the years. But the thing about it is it'll get dirty just like the rest of it, and they're never going to catch up to each other. So even though we already did this, we're going to have to test it, dry it, and then we're going to still keep on having to tweak it until we get the right color.
So what we're doing now, this is kind of cool. So we're showing in this video, which you'll be able to watch the whole thing on the TV show and also on YouTube. He's drying this. Let's get a shot of this real quick, because this is the telltale. Like, does it look like, is it going to look like what it's going to look like when it's dry? And this is where people tend to mess it up, because they think they have the color right, but it's a wet mix. It's going to dry lighter. So walk us through that process.
Well, what he's going to do is he's going to dry the mortar. Once we have it dried, we'll take it up to the house and just compare it to it. Sometimes just by looking at the houses, we're able to hit it dead on the first try. But if not, we'll have to add more white cement to it to get it lighter. We'll have to add more buff to get it to that right tone. It's just going to be a process.
So I noticed you guys were using white cement. You were using all kinds of sand.
And then the gray cement.
Now, you walk up to multiple houses. Are all the houses going to have the same type of mortar, or you have to make it completely from scratch?
No, every single house is going to have a different mortar.
Okay.
That's what I was saying. Even if a builder does two houses are right next to each other, sometimes the guys that are mixing it are adding more cement than sand. So that'll give it a different tone.
So once this is ready, you're ready to go and tuck point and do all the rest of the bricks. So you've got a guy cutting the bricks, you got another guy mixing this up, and then once that's done, you guys can just go ahead and finish this thing out.
Correct.
Okay. All right. Well, I'll let you guys get back to work.